All right, so today we're going to learn how to change the pin light ballast in the machine. If a pin light not wanting to turn on, also change the bulb and fuse. So now I know it's time to change the ballast out. So first I'm gonna start off by powering off my next gen box. You wanna make sure you power this off so that you don't get electrocuted since you're dealing with wires. So locate your main power switch. Should be located on the side of your machine. Find that, and then I'm going to switch that to the off position. Now that I've got that off, I know I have no power to it because once I check my next gen up top, I've got no readings on there. All right, so now that I'm below my machine, I'm going to go ahead and take the case off for the pin light. These two locking bolts here are size 13. Go ahead and rotate that off. Now these stay onto the case, so you're just going to spin them off to the end of it. All right, so this is my whole ballast here. I've got, I'm going to have two 7mm nuts on the inside that hold the ballast into play, into its housing. So I'm going to loosen this bolt, and then again I'm going to have one more on the opposite side over here too. All right, so now that I've got this off, I want to now take pictures. I want to now take pictures of this so that I know where I'm going to put the wires back at. So after I've got my pictures, I can go ahead and start unplugging these. So you can use a flathead screwdriver. I have a flathead on my multi-tool here that I'm going to use for this. What you're going to do is you want to press back the orange tabs and then pull out the wire. So as I press back on the tab, as I press down on the tab, pull it back, then I should be clear to pull the wire out. So I'll do that for all of them. So once I've got all those unplugged from there, now it's time to come to this relay here and then unplug all of these from there also. So you can leave the bottom two facing the opposite direction into the relay. Just take out the top three. All right, so now I've got that out. I can now pull my ballast out and I'll replace it with my new one. So this, after I get this in the slots, I'm actually going to go ahead and insert my nuts back on. Okay, so once I've gotten my nuts back on my ballast, I am now okay to refer to my pictures that I have taken earlier to then be able to put this back together. Okay, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. All right, so now that I've gotten that all matched up, according to my pictures that I have, I should be good to go to put my case back on and then turn my machine on and see if the pin light stays on. All right, so now I'm going to go up front, turn on my next gen, and then go to pin light and see if it stays on. Testing the pin light on lane 26. Looks like we have light, we're on, we're staying on. And then I'll let it run in 10 pin for a while to make sure it stays on and let them sell the lane. And I think we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.